The very existence with which I know that I exist, it is self. The very knowledge with which I know that I am seeing all this world, it is self. But the question is now where that self is to be found. As milk has got the light in it, butter in it, but unless you churn it, the butter will not come and light will not come. Therefore, one has to churn, and churning is experience. As you have said, on experiencing from the west to the east, came to India and reached Kumbh Mela. And you have seen varieties of the forms in Kumbh Mela, but you have experienced them. Forms were outside, but without you, the experiencer, the self, all those forms were nil, were non-existent. So who is the self? You are the self. But you are the self not in the form of nails or fingers, because nails can be cut, fingers can be cut, arms can be cut, heart even fails, brain fails, but they can be revived if self is introduced in them. So self is at the back of everything. The world may change, but self lives. Self is the life. So self is the basis of all the forms. But for a man, in order to know the self, he has to use the knowledge part, the experience part. A man who does not experience the forms, does not experience the things, he will not know that experiencer is there. Now if experiencer you withdraw and things remain there, then self is not found. So self is the basis of all the experiences and the forms in terms of knower, knowingness. That knowingness is the self. That is your true nature. And all this form which is seen is the object in relation with the subject, the mind. So subject and object are in relation because of the link of the self. So self is that spirit in the form of knowingness that knows all that there is me. That is the infinite nature of that self. And self can be known just by mind, stilling the mind. You have to still the mind. If you do not still the mind, you are in the varieties of the forms. And if you still the mind, then you are with one form. And that can be known very easily if one closes the eyes and watches the space within. That space is unchanging.